What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really simple salad, but what's really special about this salad is that it's made from lettuce that I grew right here inside the house on just regular containers. For $5 I got 500 lettuce seeds from Amazon, and I grew these beautiful lettuce heads that will give me 3 heads of lettuce per seed. So I will get 1,500 heads of lettuce for those $5. If that's not a deal, I don't know what is. I'll provide the link below so you guys can order your seeds and do the same. And also check out the home gardening channel for exactly step-by-step ways on how to do this. That's the home gardening channel. I'll also provide a link to it on the comments. So we're gonna get this beautiful salad going, so let's get right to work. All right, so this is what we're using for ingredients. I have 3 heads of butter crunch lettuce that are grown in water, and one of them is grown in soil. There's a few different ways to do this. Like I said, the home gardening channel has all the instructions. And there's 3 heads. I'm also using 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with 1 tablespoon of agave nectar to balance the sourness and add some sweetness. Salt to taste. 1 large clove of finely minced garlic, and one of my Thai chilies from outside is green and it's finely minced, just to add a little bit of heat. You don't need that if you don't like heat in your salads. I'm adding about 1/4 cup of really finely minced red onion. About 2 tablespoons of finely minced cilantro, and this is actually the stems. I just finely chopped them really small so you get some nice flavor in the salad. Black pepper for flavor. I got about 2 cups of minced Roma tomatoes and about 2 cups of diced cucumber. 1 can of black olives sliced, and the best thing about this is that this can I will actually reuse to grow lettuce in. And like I said, if you guys want to learn how to do this easily, check out the home gardening channel. A half a lime for that fresh sour taste to the salad, and that's basically all the ingredients we're using. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna harvest our lettuce. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna harvest this head of lettuce, and I just use a knife and basically cut it right at the base and put it here, and then we're gonna wash it. So what's gonna happen is over here where I left these stems, this is actually gonna grow new leaves, and you can do this 3 times and harvest it 3 times, and the 4th time the leaves will start to become bitter. So you actually get 3 heads of lettuce per seed. That's why I said out of 500 seeds you end up getting like 1,500 heads of lettuce, which is crazy for $5. Alright, so look how beautiful and crisp this lettuce looks. I mean, it's just really delicate, really delicious, super sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the other one. I'm gonna cut it right at the stem. I just get the knife under here, chop across, and there we have, look at this beautiful head of lettuce. I mean, you can't get no better. I'm just gonna take it apart. And we'll bring it over to the sink and give it a good rinse. This doesn't have any dirt in it because it's basically grown in water, but it's always good to rinse. And it's also grown indoors, so you don't have any worries about getting like insects and stuff if you keep a good clean growing area. So basically I'm gonna do the next one. So you can see this is growing inside a silk creamer container, and the same thing, we're just gonna chop right at the base. Harvest that head, and then there's the other one. And look how much lettuce I just got for basically a penny, because it's $5 for 100 seeds. So This is literally a penny worth of lettuce what I paid for. Not to mention the satisfaction that you get from growing your own healthy produce. So, like I said, this will grow back. I just gotta keep adding water in here, and I'll get another head in another week or so. This thing will be full size again, and I'll be able to harvest another 3 heads out of these. So we're gonna wash these. I'm gonna come back and prep the salad. Alright guys, so now that we got our lettuce rinsed, I don't have one of those water strainers. I should get one, but it's fine. I kind of got the water out the best I could. What I do with this type of lettuce is not like romaine where it's kind of like harder, you cut it with a knife, is I just take it and break it apart with my hands like this. So it's kind of like a rough chop. And we just kind of fluff it up. Just like that. And this lettuce is really tender, really sweet. I mean, it's easy just to eat the whole leaves. I actually eaten like a whole head right out of the container as I was growing it. They're great. So, and this is the kind of thing that's so amazing. You can be really in touch with the food that you're eating. You know everything about it. It's a different experience when you grow it yourself. That's why I recommend you guys to start with this. Lettuce is the easiest to grow. Like I said, it takes just a few weeks for it to have a full head of lettuce from seed. So if you're impatient like I am, this is a great place to start. Alright, so we got it chopped up pretty rough there, broken up. Now, let me go ahead and grab my tongs. So we're going to toss it around a little bit there. I'm going to start adding ingredients. Olives, garlic, and the Thai chili. Red onion. Tomato and cucumbers. Cilantro. The juice from half a lime. Now, I'm going to add my agave with the cider vinegar. Give it a good toss. Allow all of that acidity and sweetness to get into every nook and cranny of the salad. I'm going to add the cracked pepper. A little bit of Himalayan sea salt. And we're off to the races. Our beautiful homemade butter crunch lettuce salad is ready to serve. Put it on a plate, give it a taste for you guys. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go ahead and serve this beautiful fresh salad. And this is something that I would eat over like rice and beans or something like that. But in this video, I'm just gonna do it by itself. Look how beautiful that looks. And the best part about it is that I grew it right here inside the house. They didn't even have to go outside for it. And you guys can all do the same thing too. Especially now with all these issues with this pandemic, you guys can grow a lot of your produce indoors. That's kind of what I want to teach you guys with the new channel, the home gardening channel. I want to show people how to grow food inside their apartments if they live in the city, or outside in their garden if they have a garden outside, or if they have a space outside. Either way, we can do this. We can grow our own food and be super healthy. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Go check out the home gardening channel, and I'll provide a link also to our Amazon affiliate store so you can order the seeds or anything you need from there to grow stuff inside and outside. I'll see you really soon on the next one. I'm gonna go ahead and dig right in, tell you guys what it tastes like. All right. Wow. Wow. I don't know if I mentioned that there's finely minced garlic in here in the beginning of the ingredients, but that's the first thing I got. A little bit of sweetness from that agave, the garlic, the lime, a little bit of sourness from the lime and the vinegar. Really, really delicious contrast, combination of flavor. The lettuce is super crunchy, super fresh tasting, like nothing you could ever buy at the store. Everyone should get to experience food in this way.